What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 78, I believe. Holy cow. We've only been doing this since like October, and we have 78 episodes of this channel here. We like to get autographs through the mail: baseball, football, basketball, hockey, golf, celebrities. We're going to do everything, but we haven't done everything yet. But this is what we got today. Well, not today, but yesterday, Saturday. We're filming this on Sunday. All right, 5 for 5 in 9 days. Maybe I can take my time a little bit because we only have 20-some instead of 40-some. Let's hope. Paul Flatley. Nice. I can't remember what year that is. 64 Philadelphia, maybe? There's a 68 Topps. 70 Topps. I think that's a 67 Philadelphia. I love these Philadelphia cards. They're like my favorite. He signed an index card. I didn't realize he was a 1963 Rookie of the Year. He played for the Vikings from 63 to 67 and the Falcons from 68 to 70. Nice. Let's see if he answered the question. Ah, cool. His favorite teammate was Fran Tarkington. I could see why. Fran was a great player. Seemed like a cool dude. 5 for 5 in 9 days. Scott Case. What was this, a 92 Fleer, a 91 Fleer, 91 Fleer, and a couple 91 Upper Decks. Nice. Awesome. I like getting those football returns. 4 for 4 in 9 days. Sonny Bishop. Some 1969 cards. That's all I could find on. Actually, yeah, 69. Those are good-looking cards. And Sonny Bishop, 1962, Dallas Texans. 1963, Oakland Raiders. And 64 through 69, Houston Oilers. Nice. I like that. I like it when they put down everything they played at. 4 for 4 in 9 days. Jerry Philbin. Nice, that's a good-looking autograph. That's a 68 Topps, 70 Topps, 72 Topps, and another 68 Topps. I actually needed a couple of those for my sets, I believe. 3 for 3 in 9 days. Looks like we got some goodness in there, too. Ah, there you go. Marty Lyons, part of the Sack Exchange. Nice. Dated him 2/21. Awesome, an 81 and an 82. I'll send out a bunch of those. I think we did an index card. Nice. And I think he answered the question. Joe Klecko and Kenny Gelroy? Can't read that. Cool. Joe Klecko was a member of the Sack Exchange with him, and along with Mark Gastineau and man, who was the last guy? Abdul Salam, maybe? Or I can't remember. 4 for 4 in 9 days. There we go. Bruce Armstrong. 91 Upper Deck. 91 Topps, I think. Or was that 92? I don't know. I get all the pro sets mixed up. I think that's 92 pro set. And a 91 Fleer. Never sent to him before, but I saw you guys getting them back. 1 for 1 in 9 days. John Offerdahl. 92, or is that 92 Upper Deck? Yeah. He only signs one at a time, so only send him one. That was actually pretty quick. He took like 3 months the first time I sent to him. That's the second time I sent to him. That was only, what, 9 days? 4 for 4 in 9 days. A lot of 9 days here. Steve Schubert, 79 Topps, 77 Topps, and 80 Topps, and a 78 Topps. Nice. I bought a bunch of like Bears cards off a guy. It was like 250 Bears, and they were all vintage cards for like $10. So that's why you see all these Bear cards I've got recently. And I also bought like 1 or 2 other teams. One was Redskins and possibly another team. I can't remember. Ah, favorite teammate, Brian Baschenagel. we sent to him. We had some Bears cards in that thing too, and look at those back yesterday, or the day before yesterday. 5 for 5 in 9 days. Another Bear, Bob Thomas. 81 tops, 78 tops, 79 tops, 75 tops, no, 76 tops, and a 77 tops. Nice little run there. What are we missing? We got 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. We got them all, I think, from... Nice. 5 for 5 in 104 days. 104 days. Oh, there we go. Chris Hoyles. It's what, a 93 upper deck, I think? Those, I hated these cards when they came out, but I love these cards autographed. Makes no sense, but I'm really trying to get more of those. I like these old Peachies, too. They're nice. You don't have to wipe them down or anything. There's a 90-something Stadium Glove, 94 maybe. What was that, 91 Score and a 91 Fleer. Nice. That was the first baseball request we got. 3 for 3 in 2 days, or 21 days. Yeah, 2 days, that'd be kind of hard. Bob Aspermonte. We actually needed a 67 card, and I think we needed a 61 card for our set, so we went ahead and sent him these two. Didn't figure he'd mind. And he sent a little note autographed, and Gil Hodges was his favorite teammate and manager. Cool. 7 for 7 in 15 days. Oh, Bill Stein. I like these. I can't remember what years they are. But a couple Hostess cards. 81 Donruss, 77 Tops, 82 Tops, 83 Donruss, and 81 Tops. Nice. 3 for 3 in 15 days. I never knew how to say this guy's name. Doug Raw? Maybe? 77, 80. I remember him as a kid when he played, but I don't remember how to say his name. And favorite teammate, Dusty Baker. It seems like, you know, seems like all these players become managers that everybody likes. Here's a 5 for 5 in 15 days. John Stearns with a burnout Sharpie. 1980. There's an 83 Donruss, an 81 Donruss, a 77 Tops, and an 81 Tops. Cool. All right, 4 for 4 in 15 days. Bo McLaughlin, 77, 78, an 80, and an 82 for the set. 3 for 3 in 15 days. 3 cards from Terry Humphrey. It's the only cards I had of him for some reason. 5 for 5 in 15 days. Nice. Jay Hook. Nice. That 60 Tops looks awesome. We've got a couple of those. We got a couple of these 62s. He put first Mets win, 423.62, and a 61 Tops. Those are nice. 3 for 3 in 15 days. Larry Christensen. Never got him back before. There's an 84 Tops card for the set, a 77 Tops card, and a 75 Tops card. This was $5 fee, 1 of 1. And this one actually was a fee. This is a Whitey Herzog rookie card. It's kind of beat up, but I've been trying to pick one of these up forever, and they go way too high. I mean, like a real good condition one of these goes for a lot of money. So I found this one is kind of beat up. I mean, it's not horrible. And I was glad to get it back. Awesome. 4 for 4 in 9 days. Billy Kilmer, 77 Tops, 76 tops, 78 tops, and a 69 tops. Nice. 4 for 4 in 9 days. Awesome. One of my favorite quarterbacks too, Mr. Lynn Dickey. 75 tops, 77 tops, 81 tops, 78 tops. All right, if you're like 50 to 50 something, you love Billy Kilmer and Lynn Dickey and Pat Hayden and Vince Ferragamo and all those guys, man, because those are your quarterbacks. You know, just like the quarterbacks of today. 1 for 3 in 9 days. Well, if I get the cards out, we'll be doing all right. Larry Little. He didn't sign 2 of them. And he left a note. He says, 1 free, others $5 each. Cool. So we'll send him $10 and we'll send those 2 back out and get those signed. I like those cards. So we'll send those out to him with some cash. We don't mind sending out some cash. Here we go. We sent out $10 to this guy. 3 for 3. Don't know if he was a fee. Let's find out who it is. I think he is a fee of. I wasn't sure. I've never got him back before. I think he gets donations for his son or something, maybe for foundation. So I just sent like $10 and a few cards here. He signed 3 cards for me. 81. I think it was $10. 81, 80, and a 79. He was one of my favorite players growing up. I was a Cowboys fan back in the day. And I asked him who his favorite player was. And this is crazy, man. Look at this. Cliff Harris. And if you've ever seen Cliff Harris's autograph, it kind of almost looks like that. That's funny. Cliff Harris was one of my favorite players as well. He was a good ball player. This was $5. It was 1 of 1. Let's see if it was a fee or if I just sent him $5. It was a fee. Got a nice Sparky Lyle. $5 fee. And 82 tops card for the set. Here's a $5 I sent. I guess it was a 1 of 1 or something because I don't feel much in here. Oh, here we go. It was a 1 of 1 of Dwight Stevenson. $5, and it was some kind of mini card. I've never seen these mini cards before, but I thought it was pretty awesome, so I had to send him to get that signed. $5. Here's a $5 and 2 for 2 in 30 days. Let's see if this was a fee or if I just sent him $5 because it was like an old card or I abused him already. If I sent this was a fee. We got him back yesterday, Joey J. It was a $5 fee, and I love these postcards, and I had to get it signed. And I'm a Reds fan back in the day, so. And he signed an index card for me too, Joey J. Nice, free index card. And here's the last one, guys. How many did we get today? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27 returns today. And this was 10 for 10, or $10. Yeah, 10 for 10, $10. $10. It was 2 for 2 in 27 days. Ah, this is awesome. What is cool is this little, I don't know what you call it. These are what? Inserted in like the 68 or 69, 70 packs. I can't remember. But yeah, this is an awesome card. And I ended up buying this off eBay, and the corners are trimmed. But it kind of looks like that. That's why I sent them together. And this thing's awesome. I don't care. It's going to be in my album. I don't care if it's cut. But I picked up this card for like $2 off of eBay. And if it wasn't cut like that, it probably would have been, 5 or 10. So went ahead and sent it to Lynn. That looks awesome. I don't care if the corners are cut. It just looks awesome. Those things will look great in my albums. All right, guys. Let's move this a little bit so you can see everything. That's everything we got. We got 27 returns today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. What's your favorite one? My favorite one is probably the Len Dawson. I love Len Dawson. Or that Whitey Herzog rookie, man. That's a tough choice. But we're running out of time here. I want to thank everybody that signed my autographs. I want to thank all you guys for watching, man. I really do appreciate it. I do wish you guys would hit the like button more often or the dislike button or stuff like that, because it really helps me with the algorithm and trying to get more people to see this, because that's the goal. Thanks, guys.